Welcome to... It's the epic battle between dirt bikes, Dualsports, and Supermotos. Wow! Up first we have Dirtbike, Dualsport, and Supermoto. Woo! Yeah, baby! I don't know why I decided to... What the fuck am I saying? Yes, today we're going to be showcasing dirt bikes, Dualsports, and Supermotos and their off-road capabilities. I can already tell you, this sucks off-road. Do you like this? It's my bra. It's a GoPro goes right here. And so yeah, I already took this off-road because I wanted to make sure the GoPro angle was fine. It's not very good. We're done with the intro. We're gonna go right into it. I guess before we're done, I'll go through each of these. CRF 250F, woo! KLX 230L, woo! Husqvarna 701, woo! So yes, there is a little bit of a difference because it goes from 250, 230, you know, then all of a sudden to 700. But it's fine. It has the disadvantage of Supermoto. I will be doing a 0.7 mile lap with each of them. And then we're going to like compare the times. Huh. Okay. Dirtbike. We should have like a starting line, right? This route, this is more of a linear line thing. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. First gear is really short, but that's okay for the torque. I'm not gonna go crazy, you know. It's very early in the morning. It's like not even 9 yet. Right off the bat, I can say I feel very comfortable on this. Got nice grippy tread that I can skirt around just fine. Oh, I don't know where the route is, but it's somewhere back there. Okay, we moved some things around. You are now on my helmet instead of on the chest because I'm worried about that quality of video and stuff. Okay. Next part. From here. What are we on? KLX 230 Dualsport. Epic. 3, 2, 1. Definitely a lot less confidence just from the get-go. It's a little bit taller, though. That's not necessarily a good thing. Oh. It doesn't break as well as the other one. Nice, sliding everywhere. Definitely not as much torque as a dirt bike. sandy sections feel awful. And I'm already going off-road. I'm taking a different route than I'm supposed to. I'm so sorry. It's not going to be the same. Oh well. Time. Okay. While we're at the starting line with this one, we got to do a few things. We got to turn off traction control and ABS. Alrighty, there we go. Now it's fit to do this. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, look at that speed. I'm so sorry. It's going faster. It's scared. You know, the goal is to not fall over. Oh god, that was slipping out. One light touch of the rear brake and this thing starts sliding. Just gonna cruise into this turn. This thing also feels much heavier. It's not too much. It's 20 pounds heavier than the 230, but it feels heavy. Oh, sandy. Also feels strange standing up on these rubber pegs. But it has the advantage with that down blipper and upshifter. It's so sketchy going through turns and stuff on this thing because I just feel like it's gonna wash out at any moment. I'm gonna take the same lap that I did 230. Even on straightaways, it's so scary. Alright, lap. Okay, so there you have it. As you can obviously tell, this thing felt super uncomfortable to ride around on off-road because it's got no track. This thing was, the Dualsport was okay off-road, except it did feel a little squirmy and loose, especially through sandy sections. But like doing turns and stuff, it was okay because it could slide out just a little to make it through the turn, but then it would kind of get that traction back. And then the dirt bike felt the best off-road because it's got those big grippy tires that can just grab into anything. So probably a lot of people would be torn up between these two bikes right here, choosing between a Supermoto or a Dualsport. That was a big thing for me because I really like the Supermoto trim. I like doing like twisties and stuff like that, but then there's the occasional, man, I want to go off-road. Maybe I could use this as an off-road bike too. You really can't, because while it does do fine off-road, like, you know, it'll make these trails. If you really want to have like true fun off-road, you do need to go for more dual sporty. And I will say also, dual sports do fine on road and through twisties. Like, I think I can take these two around a really tight twisty track about the same pace. Where else am I going with this stuff? If I had to choose between Enduro this or Supermoto this, I would have chosen Enduro, but there's no Enduros around here, so I just went with Supermoto. It's fine, I like it. Yeah, that's all.